Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are all doing great. As you know that we have started the osmosis today. There is a second lecture about this in which we study the structure of animal cells. Animal cells are those cells having no cell wall. Osmosis, when animal cell is in pure water and concentrated solution. Swelling and the bursting of animal cell, shrinking of animal cell. Why animal cell must be in isotonic solution. Contractile vacuole in amoeba, and medical example why saline solutions are used instead of pure water. After this lecture, you will be able to understand effect of osmosis on animal cells and why the control of water is important for them. So let's begin the video. Animal cells have no cell wall, only a cell membrane surrounds this. Now we discuss there is two important cases that the cell is kept in the pure water. When the cell is kept in the pure water, outside has more water molecules than inside. So, water enters the cell by osmosis, then the cell swell and may burst. This is like this. This is the diagram that when the water is kept in the pure water and the water enters in the cells and the cell swells up and at last burst. A cell is kept in the solution that is more concentrated than the cell. So water leaves the cell by osmosis. This cell shrinks and the animal cell must stay in the and this cell shrinks, and the shrinkage of the cell causes the other problem. So the cell must be stay in the solution with the same concentration to avoid damages. Now there is an important point that invertebrates that brain monitors the concentration of the blood by the kidney and adjusts it. This adjustment and the maintenance of the internal condition is known as homeostasis. So cells are not swallowed by taking in too much water or hydrated by losing too much. So the cell must be kept in the same concentration to avoid any kind of damage. This is all about the lecture in which we study the animal cell and the osmosis in the animal cells. Hope you will get it. If you find this lecture useful for you, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your classmates. Take care. See you in the next video.